Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to the render maps and locations on our iPhone apps developments. And also today maybe the first day that we build our iPhone app using Swift UI rather than UIKit. This is the sample code that we are using. For example, this camera map camera position. The variable is set in this type for the region. By the way, as an example, I made a region of the Mercy, so that Mercy region, which you can see here in this extension mapkit coordinate region. Then we defined Mercy region, which is a coordinate region. It's a latitude and longitude. Is here. This is a latitude and longitude. This is a Mercy location. All right. And this camera position variable is used on this map. And we can also, on that position, we can put the marker with this title, Mercy location. The coordinate is nothing but the Mercy location in this color tint. If you want to, there's a default, the indicator, position indicator, the symbol. But if you want to put the pepper plan, then we can also place that symbol on that position, on that location positions. If we want to put some of the animation of, some of the annotations of that location in this stack, three different circles with the same center. So outer circle, the width and height, 32, a little bit inside the circle, 20, and the insider of the other two circles, that is a 12, with different colors that we will see that. And also a map can be controlled. We can place a compass so that map can show us the North Pole and South Pole and East-West, the direction. Map pitch toggles. So map can be rotated a little bit. And also user location, maybe that button, remember that on your the map, there's a user location, like small arrows that can be shown. So we will be able to see that also. And then finally, surrounding that location, in our case, Mercy location, we may put some search text. Then that text can be searched. That text can be submitted on that search places. And then there may be some matches, some finding, then we call that items. That item can be displayed on the map. That also possible. That's what we're going to practice today. So we can start with the app and make sure the language is Swift rather than the language is Swift, right? The interface rather than storyboard, we will look at Swift UI. And let me call this, let's say, my map and location, my map log. And next, and I want to save that on iOS, create. All right. So first thing that I need to do is to import mapkit. And as we looked at in the slide, I'm going to include this, that extension. So I am going to copy that and paste it here. And as you can see, This is not really needed. And this is not also needed. So this is the mercy location. Okay, if we want to get the location, then I believe there is so-called geocode by address. There are many websites available. So let's say this, the one that I looked at was, okay, here, if I put 555 Broadway, Dobbs Ferry, New York 10522, find address. Then this is the latitude and longitude. That is the one that I used here. If you can see, 4102 and negative 73, 87, things like that. That geocode is hard coded here. All right. So there's some errors came up because we didn't define it yet. So first thing that we have to define here is we put some static variables. Private variable camera position, that in this type, the position is nothing but region, and region is dot mercy region. So right now mercy region is not defined. Let's say this is mercy region. Something that yet another extension here. That is the reason. So I put that, oops, not inside of that. This, that extension should be, and I have another extension here. Here mercy region and mercy location. Then this mercy region is okay, and here I can say mercy region. That is defined. Okay. And this one for a while I'm going to comment this. Okay. We're not going to use that for a while. And instead, in this view, we're going to map and position. Okay, the position is nothing but that camera position. Yeah. So very nicely that we can see here, Dobbs Ferry, right? There is a location that came up. We don't really need this because hello world. So yeah, from there, so everything here, that should be out. Okay, nicely everything can be shown. Okay. All right, what else that we are going to do? That's done. Okay, then we need to put some marker. Okay, so here put their marker. There is a title and coordinates. Yeah, I would put that, and I would put here Mercy University, and the location, the coordinates is nothing but Mercy location. So dot Mercy location. So now that is Mercy University, that in red. So if I want to change tint in blue, then it will turn to blue. This blue is Mercy color, right? So Mercy University appears, that location indicated here. All right. I think next one is system image paper plane. Rather than this, if you want to put paper plane, then where is that one? Yeah, here you can simply say your system images, and you can say paper planes. So this here I need to have here comma. Yeah, then this is a paper plane came up. And the other the useful here right, rather than this paper plane, if I want to put another circle rather than this, then basically I need to make these comments, and then I copied that annotations. Okay, that's here annotation and title coordinates content. Let's do that, and then we can put here my Mercy coordinates. That is nothing but Mercy location, and this, rather than I make a curly brace inside this tag, and this tag has a number of circles, so I want to copy that one here on this circle. Remember, that is this. Then you can see this type of things like this. So outside that is blue, but opacity is a little bit, there's a transparencies, and next to it in white, and then inside real blue. So that is marked. Okay, that's what you can see there. Okay, the other one here, I think it is right here. I can put map controls. Rather than this, I want to make another map compass. Because this is an emulator, not a real device, so there is no compass. But if you display this on your device, then you can see the compass. The other one that you want to add into this controller, then you can put the map pitch toggle. Okay. Then what happens here? Let's say first map control. Holding down control button and put this. Then you can do here real div inside, and then there is a rotate, right? That is pitch toggles. and then the other one. Yeah, when I do this, you can see here up there is a the compass. Yeah, you can see the compass here. Okay, so if you're holding the Option key, do this, then you can see the compass. If you press down the Control and do this, then you can do yeah, real. By double click, you can see real deep inside. The other one that you can put that control is map user location button. This user location button here, that should be the interface. Remember that here? That is the button. If you click this, then it shows my location. But even if I click this, because this device does not have a GPS, does not identify where I am, right? But if you build this on your real iPhone device, then you may be able to use this. Lastly, that we are going to do is for example, I believe this is it. If I do this in comments, then there's a search text. If I want to put here search, then I want to find out something, okay? So to do that, similarly here, I can put some more state variable and search key, and then that is the initially empty, so that is a search key, so it should be search key. All right, so far there is no error. And then another state variable is the result. So we want to send this to the search engine, and it can return to us. As it returns, it'll be an array of map key map items. Map key map item. Okay, so I want to initialize that. And similarly, another variable that is a map selection is nothing but if I want to click one of those, right? But we don't do this for a while. Okay, so this is enough. And then let's put your map selection. So variable map select, that is in type mk map item, which may be optional. On this map, I want to put their selection. The selection is shown map select. Okay. And here, I would say, let's say it is and two other things that I want to add. So So as I do this, text field, this is not a search key text, we say search key. So search key may appear there, as this should be also search key. Search key is supposed to this is the search key is submitted, and therefore search places will be given, and that search place can be, I think, here, and then for each result and ID equals self, and there item in let, I would say item in let place mark is item dot place mark, and marker is, I would say, place mark dot name, and name is placed initialized. This is empty, and coordinates. Coordinate is nothing but place mark dot coordinate. That coordinates can be placed I think that should be outside that. I think that should be here. Okay. All right. So if I use emulator, and if I want to find out, for example, Starbucks, and hit enter, I don't get any result because I commented this out, right? So I put that there. See here, what is this? Has no member result. Content view. There's no member. Oh, result. So singular result. Let's put there plural result. So there should be plural result. So that should be okay. So if I redo this, replace, here Starbucks, hit enter. Wow, it gives me the Starbucks, right? These are the Starbucks that we can find. If you want to see some of, for example, tire rotation place, then you can find out Mavis distribution, and there's a Mavis as well. So this kind of things can be possible. Here again, what else? Beer. There's other place that we can find the beer. Jack's Beers, Candlelights Inn, Divino's, whatever that is, Broadway Grill, right? So yeah, this is it for something that you can find out. We use Swift UI and MapKit. In the view, we use a map, so selection and camera vision, camera positions can be seen on the map. And we start with some of the positions that I hard coded, like here. I put that hard coded, and the search key can be used to find out some of the points of our interest. Okay, I think this is it. Thank you.